Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to download Mint mobile application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. First of all, make sure that your iOS device or your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Mint Mobile. Once you make a search for it, look for the Mint Budget and Expense Manager application, and then once you end up on this page, go ahead and tap on the little Get button and make sure to download the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device, and you should be able to use the application right away. Mint Mobile is a personal finance management website and mobile app for US and Canada produced by Intuit Inc. The application is free and safe, and it allows you to track your spending, investments, credit score, and more. Once you download the application, you can easily open it from your app drawer. That is how you can easily download the Mint mobile application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.